Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is September 20, 2023, Wednesday. Option expiry for Bank Nifty. First with the levels, then we go into the power of technical analysis. What is FinNifty levels? FinNifty closed 20104.50, 1.5% down. Bank Nifty closed 45384.60, 1.29% down. While Nifty closed 19901.40, 1.15% down. The power of technical analysis. Once again we say that. What is the levels that we had said on Monday for the option expiry for Bank Nifty, and also we had given for Nifty? We said that the all-time high of 46369.50, it will act as a resistance. Did it go there? It never went there. It never had a chance to go there. Then what is the support we said for Bank Nifty? We had said 44880. That's the Bollinger middle band on the daily chart. Did it go down towards that level today? No. That's the power of technical analysis. Likewise, we had given the level for Nifty also on Monday. Today again we will give the levels. More or less the levels are same. In fact, we will be slightly trimming down, coming down. On the top we will be coming down slightly. On the bottom we will be giving slightly a different level. So what happened? If you recollect, on Monday itself I said that HDFC Bank is looking weak. And I said that it is just above the 2022 close. So, but of course, I said that it has not decisively broken. Today, what happened? That's the unfortunate thing in marketing, right? The gap up or gap down is significant, and traders find it extremely tough to handle that situation. So, I think Monday evening there was a analyst meet where they had said that like the HDFC merger, bank merger will have some pains in the initial days. Fundamentally, they gave all those reasons. I mean, that's for fundamental people, not for people like me. So fundamentally what happened, there is a belief that it's not HDFC Bank will have some profitability issues, at least in the short run, which already market has started showing signs. That's why if you see on Monday itself it fell significantly, but just closed above the 2022 close. Suppose if in the analyst meet things would have been a rosy picture, probably things would have been slightly better. But definitely HDFC fall was there. But 2022 levels, now it is decisively broken down. So hence, not only Nifty and BankNifty, but also Nifty is also weak because of one factor, HDFC Bank. The other factor that came into the picture was Reliance. That also fell down significantly today because it is a trending down, which is why you had such a fall in Nifty also today. But overall, what did support? Axis Bank provides solid support. Though it opened the gap down like Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, it is able to move up. It moved up solidly. In fact, it touched a new high and then it started coming down and it came to some level, but still it is above the Bollinger upper band in the daily chart. But overall, why this fall had happened? It was very simple. On Thursday itself, on Wednesday, Thursday last week itself, it was forming sideways candle, and hence we were telling that, if you recollect, that it is showing some weakness. But is it a big fall that is coming in? The answer is no. Because this week, if you recollect, last week itself we said this week it is a falling week, sideways to down. That's what is happening. So next week it will be a sideways to slight up. Hence, no, it will equalize. But what happens in October is very important. That is what we have to see. With that background, let's go into the analysis part of it. So what happened? Bandhan, on the banks, Bandhan index fell 1%, yes fell 3%, HDFC Bank fell 4%. Obviously, HDFC Bank's fall, if it falls by 4%, it will have a significant impact on all the indices because it's a heavy weight in all the indices. And AU was the sole performer, jumping up by 3%. So overall, Bank Nifty is looking sideways with downward this week, which we have been reiterating for since last week onwards. On the financial, Jio, L&T Finance 1% down, Muthoot 2% down, Manappuram 3% down, IDFC 1% up, M&M Finance 3% up. On the insurance and cards, everything fell. LIC and SBI cards 1% down, HDFC Life, ICICI Pru, SBI Life 1% down, oil and telecom, Bharati 1% down, Reliance 2% down. So there is nothing to support, right? IT, Affle, Birlasoft, SCL, LTIM, LTTS, Techam, Wipro, all 1% down. Infy and TCS remained sideways, which is why you didn't have much of fall in Nifty. So one more thing I have to highlight here is that Nifty and Bank Nifty managed to hold above the 20-day moving average, Bollinger middle band, and also 20-day exponential moving average. So I feel that will also act as a support, but still for a trader, the support resistance, always it's better to play with caution. Hence we will give different levels. Consumer goods, ABFRL, Bata, Britannia, HUL, Nestle, Page and Trent 1% down, DMart 2% down, Berger and Titan 1% up. Automobiles, Ashok Leyland, Escorts, Hero, Motors and TVS 1% down, Maruti 2% down, Bharat Ford 1% up. Metals had a significant down day today. Hindalco, National Name, NMDC 1% down, Jindal Steel, SAIL, Tata Steel, Vedanta 2% down, JSW Steel 3% down. Health and Pharma, Apollo Hospitals, Health and Pharma, Apollo Hospitals and Thyrocare 1% down, Dr. Reddy and Metropolis 2% down, Lalpad 2% up. In the others category, everything fell. DLF, L&T, Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, Havels, APL, Apollo, IRCTC, Jubilant Food, MCX, UPL, all 1% down. Godrej, Nykaa, Zomato 2% down. Aries 1% up. Polycab 3% up. With all these things, what is the level, support and resistance that one has to look for tomorrow particularly? The all-time high which it touched recently, that is very difficult to go once again immediately. Hence, that will act as a very strong resistance, which is 20,222.40. Likewise, the 50-day exponential moving average. So that will act as a very good support, at least for this week. Then like another 2 days of trading, then next week will come where there is some kind of pullback will come. So that 50-day exponential moving average is somewhere around 19,613. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.